What's up, my beautiful people? Mr. Biggs here with LimeTime Garage, and today we're taking out the cuddy for the quarantine cruise. Now, this is a cruise that started when the quarantine started happening and lockdown started happening. There was a brave group of individuals that said, screw that, we're gonna go cruise our cars. And it turned into thousands and thousands of cool cars. We're just gonna go cruise it and see what's out there. Now, these are all sorts of different cars, from hot rods to muscle cars to classics, you name it. But anyways, we're gonna go check it out. I'm running a little bit late, but we're gonna head out. It's probably about 30 minutes from here, and we'll see what they got. What's up, you guys? We made it. Car made it. A lot of cars here, a lot of trucks, a lot of cool stuff. We're gonna cruise around, see what we see, and then hopefully be able to join in for the next spot. I don't know how many spots there are. Sometimes there's a lot, sometimes there's a few. So, but anyways, as you can see behind me, a ton of Broncos, like tons of them. There's Blazers, K5s and stuff. It's really cool. We're gonna swing into that first, and then we'll head over to the other side. This is literally like the most K5 or Blazers I've ever seen in my life. Check this out. LimeTime you don't see too often right here. Woo! Hell yeah. So cool. These wheels are awesome. So far so good. There's so many cars out here that are just different, things that you just don't see on a daily basis. Like this right here. It's fucking badass. It's really cool. A lot of hot rods, a lot of muscle cars as we anticipated, but it's blown me away of like how many trucks are here and like the V-dubs. So it's kind of like your beach vibe, like all the cars that are you see by the beach. So it's pretty cool. So we made it to the second spot. A lot of cars have changed out. Woo! Damn. So we made it to the second spot. A lot of cars have, I guess, didn't want to come to the second spot. There's new cars here at the second spot, so I'm gonna try to look for my buddy Nick. He's here. Hopefully let him check out the Cutlass, see what he thinks. But really cool. A lot of guys cut the shortcut and just went up the Beach Boulevard route instead of going all the way to Warner. But you know, I went all the way to Warner because you know it's cool, and the car has no issues. It's just cruising. So let's go see what's at this location. I don't even know if there's like another spot. I think this is it after this, but really cool. there you have it. That's the pretty much the gist of the gathering. There's more cars pulling in. There's like cars pull in, cars pull out. There's all kinds of beautiful, beautiful rides here. It's a lot of fun. It's the first time that I've actually done the quarantine cruise, and it's also the first time that I brought the Cutlass here for a actual cruise like this in the daytime. So it's really cool. I've had a lot of fun, and we'll see if we can meet up with Mr. Nick, and if not, we'll just scoot on out.